Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Chelsiejayy and I'm back with another video. Today's video is a little bit different, y'all, because your girl has gotten a camera. Hopefully the quality is a lot better than my phone. If you do like this video, definitely give me a thumbs up and show some love in the comment section. Say, girl, I see you got your camera. Yeah, as you can see, I've already done my brows off camera. Just keep in mind, like, the setting and my background, everything may change at some point in time because this is just like a rough draft type of video, if you want to say. Like, this is just gonna be like just a start, so I'm getting used to like my monitor and all of that. So your girl is a real YouTuber at this point. But yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. To get started, I've already done my brows off camera. I use the Benefit brow pencil. That is the Precisely My brow pencil that I use. So today's look, we're gonna keep it real simple because, again, like I said, your girl is not used to filming on a camera. Like, who is she? So to start, I'm gonna take the anastasiabeverlyhills eyebrow eyeshadow primer. I'm gonna use that and mix it with my concealer to set my base, to use it as a base for my eyeshadow look today. I'm gonna rub this on my eyelid. You just want to take like a small amount. You don't have to take a lot, because it is really like liquidy, so it's really fluid, so you don't have to do too much. I'm just taking that and I'm going to prime my eyes. If it's messy, that's fine too, girl. It doesn't have to be perfect right now because it's gonna all be okay, like, once you finish. But I am gonna mix the Makeup Obsession Mega Concealer. I'm using this the shade 12, and I'm gonna mix that as well because, as you can see, like, the Anastasia eyeshadow primer is like really white, so you want to mix it with like a concealer that you use on your face, and that'll just give you the payoff that you're looking for and everything like that. So to start, I'm going to go in with a bronzer on my lid, and I'm just going to use that as a transition shade. I like to use bronzers as a transition shade before using my shadows because it just brings the look together for me. Like, I just like it like that. So I'm taking the Morphe bronzer. I'm going to blend that out across the lid, and my brushes are dirty, so don't mind that. But yeah, so I'm just taking the this is a Morphe brush, but this is like really old, girl, like years old. But I'm just taking that and blending that across the lid. Going into the California Loves palette, I'm going to take the shade Highway 1, and I'm just going to blend that into the crease, just to warm up everything a little bit more. And this does have just a little bit of shimmer, girl, so don't go crazy. It's not like a matte pigment, but we're still going to use it into the crease, so I'm just going to blend that out. And I'm taking that Morphe brush. This is just like a regular blending brush. If I can find the links, I'll definitely include them as well. This look is not going to be crazy, okay? We're just going to keep it nice, cute, and simple. What I like to do is just go back into that first brush that I used, and I like to just blend around that color as I go because that just makes the look come together more too. Like, it makes your shadows look a lot more blended when you do that. Just take, and you don't have to use any excess eyeshadow. Just take what you have on your brush and blend it up into the brow. And you see how that's nice and blended. So yeah, so just blend everything out. So the next thing I'm going to do is go back into my concealer, and I'm going to be using the Anastasia eyeshadow primer too. I'm going to mix the two and just pop it onto my lid. That's going to be the priming like base for our the shadow, for the rest of the shadow. So I'm using my finger to apply it as well. You don't have to use like a brush I prefer my finger actually, because I can really just get in there, you see. And again, it's okay if it's a little messy. Like, it doesn't have to be just completely accurate. So it's coming off like a little reddish on camera, but that's okay too. We can still do a natural makeup look with that. So I'm taking the shade Gnarly. It's at the top, and it's like this tan color here. And I'm just taking that, I'm going to pop that onto my lid using this ColourPop brush that I got as well. They sent this in PR. The name of this brush, they don't have one. Oh, this is the E9 brush. And we're going for like a soft matte type of look today. Those are my favorite. I don't know about y'all, but I love like a natural face nowadays. Well, not natural. How natural can we get putting on makeup? But I like a neutral eye, if that makes sense. Going back into the bronzer that I used before, I'm taking that and I'm going to go around the shadow. And that's just going to lighten things up, make it a lot less serious, because we got real serious around there. So we're just going to blend it out, and we're going to blend it up into the brown. What I'm going to do next is go in with my eyeliners, if you can see them. This is the NYX liner. This is one of my favorite liners. And then I'm going to mix it with the Anastasia liner. And this is the, this is the Anastasia liquid liner. So I'm just going to line my eyes. Y'all already know I'm probably going to skip through this like really quick. Hopefully I'm in focus. If I'm not in focus, I'm still going to upload it because, you know, why not? But hopefully you guys can see this really well. But I'm taking the Milk, this is the Hydro Grip primer. One of the best primers that I love to use. It's like unclockable, baby. Like, it's so good. And I also like to use their moisturizer. If you haven't tried their moisturizer, definitely try it. It's really nice. I don't know how you say this. Codly. I'm gonna take this primer. It's like a it says Beauty Elixir, but Brianna Monique uses this and it makes her foundation makes it look so good, right? So I'm gonna spray this on my face before I apply my foundation. For my foundation, I'm gonna take the Fenty Beauty foundation. I've been loving this foundation lately. I did pick up this shade 350. I mixed it with the Anastasia Luminous foundation, and this one is on the shade 470. I know you're like, girl, 470, 350, how does that work? But they work together really well. When you don't have your exact match to your foundation, you definitely should mix them, girl. Mix one lighter foundation with a darker one, and then you'll get the payoff that you're looking for. Again, this filming thing is new to me, okay, y'all? My camera just cut off. I almost had a heart attack. I thought everything was deleted, but we're fine. Okay, we're back. I think I'm gonna try the Milk makeup concealer. So it comes out like this. I thought it was gonna be like a squeezable tube. They definitely give you a small little applicator. So the applicator is like this small, but it's cool. The next thing I'm going to do is take this is the Anastasia A24 brush. You don't have to use this brush to apply your concealer. This is just what I'm doing. I'm going to take it and highlight my face. I went OD with the concealer, but it's okay. We went a little bit overboard, but you know, that's totally fine. Sometimes you have to go a little overboard. It's okay. So next I'm going to take the Walnut Concealer. This is the foundation stick from Anastasia. I like to use this to contour my face, and I just like to pop it onto the sides of my face and a little bit under my lip as well. But don't forget to blend out the underlip part whenever you are blending out your makeup, because I've done it before. Like, I've definitely, you know, finished my face and I'm like, okay. This is just a beauty sponge. This is by the Sasha Kashuk beauty sponge, and I'm just going to take that to blend out my contour. One thing I can say that I do notice about the Milk Makeup concealer, it is like a full coverage concealer, but I do notice that it does dry down really quickly. If you're the type of person that doesn't let their concealer sit a little bit, then that's perfect for you, because you can go ahead and blend it out. But if you do, just notice that you will have to blend it out maybe before and then apply your second layer of concealer if you do 2 layers. So just keep that in mind. But I'm just taking my beauty sponge and I'm just bouncing it off my face to blend around the edges. I'm going to take that foundation stick again. This is in the shade Walnut. I'm taking an E25 brush by Sigma, and I'm just going to blend out like a nose contour for myself. Get the nose snatched. So the next thing I'm going to do is go into my powders. The first layer, I'm going to take the hudabeauty powder. This is in the shade Banana Bread. I'm taking this beauty sponge. This is from the hair store. It's real dirty though, girl. It's real dirty. But I'm going to take that to set my face down just a little bit. And I'm going to take the Mercier powder that they just came out with. They sent it to me in PR, so I was like, girl, you know I'm gonna use it, okay? You already know. And the packaging looks the same. I know it's upside down, but this is what it looks like. This is the bottom part. Oh, there we go. It does give me like a yellow, if you can see. Like, it's like a yellow type of powder. So we're gonna see if it's gonna snatch us up, girl. Hopefully it doesn't have any flashback or anything like that. Because that's a big thing. So I'm going to be using the Black Radiance. This is the light to medium true complexion contour kit. I love this kit. It's like the perfect shades, y'all. Like the perfect shades, and they have so many different ones that you can choose from, so it's really bomb. I love this one. Going back into that Huda Beauty powder, I'm just going to cut that jaw a little bit. Today I'm going to be using the Sweet Tea. This is Sweet Tea by Morphe. I'm going to be using this to go ahead and line my lips. And I'm going on top using the ColourPop BFF3. If y'all know, y'all been watching me, you know that I love the ColourPop BFF3. It's like the perfect brown. I'm gonna take the Tata lashes. These are I'm gonna tag them in my video below, but I love their lashes and they last a good bit. I'm going in with the Becca blush. This is my favorite blush, y'all. If you have not tried it, go ahead and give it a try. I'm taking the shades in the middle. I wish I could show you what it looked like, but honestly, girl, it's broke. So I'm just gonna lightly apply that blush, and it does have like a little bit of a shimmer, so it gives you just the right amount that you're needing. I'm gonna spray just a little bit more of the setting spray. But that's pretty much the look. For lip gloss, I use the Diamond Milk Gloss. And this gets your lips like popping. And this is by Fenty Beauty. I use that lip gloss right here, the Diamond Milk. But yeah. So, okay y'all, so that is the finished look. Hopefully you enjoy, hopefully girl, hopefully you enjoyed this look. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe if you did. Again, I'm getting used to the filming with the camera, the setup, everything, girl. It's a lot, okay, but I promise I'm gonna get better with time. So hopefully you guys enjoy this little I guess you can call this like a neutral matte makeup look. Yeah, we can call it that. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, girl. If you have not already subscribed, go ahead and subscribe to your girl. Show your girl some love, okay, in the comment section. Let me know if you did get to the end of the video. What do I want you guys to say? Say that the new camera is lit, okay? That's what I want y'all to say in the comment section if you do get to the end. I love you all so much, and I can't wait to see you in my next video.